Hello everyone. So this is a video on how to make our toner. As you have seen in the formula I sent above, so I'm going to be putting the ingredients together now. So let me weigh out my ingredients. I'll be weighing out everything in a 250 ml beaker. Though actually I'm making a 50-gram batch size, as you have seen before. I'll be weighing out everything in a 250 ml beaker because I want to have enough workspace. That's why I'm using a bigger container. So now I will add my distilled water to this. Alright, so I will tear my scale and add my distilled water. So I have my distilled water here. So I'm going to be adding 44.33 grams of distilled water. I see here I'm going slowly because I don't want it to exceed. So I have more than 44.33, so I'll just use my dropper to remove the excess from it. So I have 44 points. So that way for is still, so you see there 44.33. I've set that aside and I want to weigh my lavender hydrosol. I don't want to add it directly to the distilled water because in case I have an excess in my measurement, so I'll be able to balance it. So I will weigh out my lavender hydrosol into a separate beaker. So and that's what I want to do here now. So I'm weighing out 10 grams of lavender hydrosol. 10 grams. So I'm using pure plant hydrosol here. Pure plant hydrosol, that is what I'm using. This is not a flower water. This is a distilled this is an hydrosol of lavender. It's a byproduct of the production of the essential oil. So I have it there, 10 grams of my lavender hydrosol. So I want to weigh out the 1 gram of mulberry extract that I will be using in this production. 1 gram of mulberry extract. 1 gram of mulberry extract is what I want to weigh out. And see that I'm not adding it to the water directly. So I have it there, 1 gram of mulberry extract. So I'm going to set that aside too. I've set that aside. So I will weigh out my chelator as well. And my chelator, I'm weighing out 0.1 gram. That's my disodium EDT here. I'm weighing out 0.1 gram of disodium EDT here. So I have my chelator weighed out 0.1 gram. So what I have left now is my preservative. I have not weighed out. So I'm going to be I won't add the preservative now because of its sensitivity to heat. So I'll need to dissolve the chelator in the water first, then cool it down to temperature below 40 degrees Celsius before I add in the mulberry extract and the preservative. So I'll be heating the hydrosol and the water with the chelator. So let me mix that up so you can see. Let's set aside our scale. Don't need that for now. So this is our distilled water. So I will add this is lavender hydrosol that we weighed out the other time. So I'll be adding the lavender hydrosol to it, and then I will add the disodium EDTA to it, because I'm going to be needing it to dissolve this disodium EDTA here. So I'll go there, put this in a double boiler and heat it up to dissolve the disodium EDTA. So what you can do to do this is, if you don't have a double boiler, you can just have a boiled water, because it's not something that you need an excess heat to dissolve. You have a boiled water in a pot or in a saucepan, a stainless saucepan, then you stand this inside it, and that's exactly what I'll be doing now. So I'm going to have a boiled water that has already boiled. Then I will transfer the water into a saucepan, into a stainless pan. So I will now stand this inside it. So that's like, you can say, okay, I don't have a double boiler, how can I do this? So I'm like giving you an improvisation, how you can improvise for a double boiler, usually for a product like this. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate now. So I have the lavender hydrosol distilled water and the glitter now in the bowl of water here. This is the boiled water here. So, and as you can see, everything is completely melted. So I'm going to remove it from here now, allow it to cool down to temperature below 40 degrees Celsius and below, before I now add the mulberry extract and the preservative to it. So the what I have here has been allowed to cool down. So I'm going to use my thermal gun. I'm going to use to confirm that the temperature is below what I want. So you see there is 39.8 degrees Celsius. So that means it is safe for me to add my mulberry extracts, my botanical actives now. So that's what I have there, my mulberry extract. So it is safe for me to add it now. So I'll be adding it directly to the other mixture. So I have it there. Then I mix it together. I'm adding it directly to this because this is a water-based product. You know, what I have there before was just distilled water and lavender. If it were to be an emulsion, I will not add the powder directly into it. I will first dissolve it before adding it to it. But because this is aqueous already, is water-based, so that's why I'm adding it directly to it. So I'm going to stir it very well till everything is completely dissolved. So as you can see, the mulberry extract has melted completely. Everything is dissolved completely. So it has given the product is unique and pink color. So it has melted completely. So the next thing to add to it now is the preservative. So remember, I'm using liquid Jama Plus at 0.5%. So I'm going to be adding 0.25% to this product. So I'm going to add it to it directly with my dropper. So I want to add it now. 0.25 gram is what I'm adding. So I have it there, 0.25. Let me add like to it. I have to be careful because I don't want it to go beyond what I want. So that's it. So I have it at around 0.26, but that's still okay to go. So then I mix it together thoroughly. You mix together thoroughly. Mix it together thoroughly and allow it to completely cool down, like temperature below 20 degrees Celsius, before I add it to my bottle. So this is the bottle I'm going to use to package this toner. So I have allowed the product to completely cool down. So let's check the temperature to confirm that. As you can see, so this is like room temperature. Remember I said the other time that 20 degrees Celsius, that's not possible because the room temperature I have, my products cannot be cooler than the room temperature. So you see it there, 32.7. So I'm going to transfer it into my packaging bottle now. So I have my bottle here, so I'm going to transfer the products into it. So that is our basic toner there. So I'm going to label it, and just made a basic toner so you can try practicalize this. So I have my label here already, so I'll just label this. So and there, just made a basic toner. So thanks for watching.